this abandoned junk car is about to become a dream machine in just 24 hours.
First, everything gets stripped down. Seats, panels, and every old part removed.
First, everything gets stripped down, seats, panels, and every old part removed.
Next, the body is repaired, every dent and scratch carefully fixed to perfection.
Take this is. Now the car is masked and prepped, ready for its brand new look.
And here comes the magic. A bold, stunning orange paint brings it back to life.
Upgrading the wheels, giving it that aggressive, sporty stance.
The interior is cleaned and refreshed, making it feel like a brand new ride.
And just like that, from scrap to a head-turning masterpiece. Would you drive this?